Hi, it's me. Despite the fact that I have painted more than 500 portraits in different performances and with different colors, I continue to paint now. And when I see that people learn to draw separately nose, mouth, and eyes separately, it becomes a little creepy and reminds me of something from horror movies.
Oh God, please no!
Because it's torn out of the face, and you need to draw the whole portrait at once, outline the whole head, and our most important ears.
What?
Yes, it's them. So how do you start drawing a portrait? You need to draw the whole head at once, and then detail the nose, mouth, and eyes on the ears. Everything has its own size. You need to measure everything. Who is interested in a short description? The main axis of the face, from it 3 equal parts of the height of the ear, then outline the nose of the eye socket and the corners of the mouth, and then draw specifically the eyes, the nose, and lips. I started with a skull, but in general, you can begin with a cubic face shape to remember the proportions, and then move on to favorite actors, cartoon characters, or someone you wouldn't mind caricaturing. Just kidding. What is better to draw and on what paper? You can choose a simple pencil, but it is good at drawing the contour of the face, and then we work with color, whether it's watercolor or acrylic or even oil. And if you want a black and white picture, kohl and pastel for beginners are very suitable. Draw as you like, as Einstein said, creativity is the entertainment of intelligence, and if you like such fear, then go ahead, then it's yours.